Hello internet, that used to be cracked intro, but they killed their video, so I'm taking it. Welcome to another Vape School. Thank you to the good people of Vape Nation Cape Town for voting on what they want to see next, and by far what got the most votes was how to make basic coils for beginners. So that's today, that's this video. I'm doing that now. First of all, what is coil building? It's for rebuildable atomizers. You know, you put your own coils in there and you can make them exactly how you like. You can buy them and have people install them for you, but if that's what you want to do, then why are you watching this? So this video is going to be a super basic build that I started out making and, you know, gradually got into more complicated stuff. But it's really safe. It's safer than plush Lego pieces, and it's really hard to do it wrong. So I figured it'd be a good place to start. So what you're going to need is some 26 gauge nichrome wire. It's a medium thickness, kind of in the middle-y resistance, easy to work with wire, and it's just good. I mean, even in my complicated build, it's pretty much the main wire that I use. So use that. Use 26 gauge nichrome, you can't go wrong with it. You're also going to need a 3mm screwdriver, some wire cutters, and pliers. I prefer to use ceramic tipped tweezers, but you can use normal pliers, you just need to be more careful. And that's it. Oh, and an atomizer, obviously. So grab your 26 gauge nichrome, roll out about 20 centimeters of it, and cut it off. Then cut that in half. And then cut both of those in half as well. Now you have 4 pieces of wire, because maths. I don't really do this, but you can straighten out the wire either in a drill by spinning it for a little while or just pulling it apart, but meh, it's a basic build, that stuff doesn't really matter as much. Now grab your 4 pieces of wire and put 2 of them down. Now you're holding 2 pieces of wire, also math. Hold them together in one hand, put them really close to each other so that they're touching, and make sure that the ends line up. Then wrap them around your screwdrivers 6 times. That's it, that's a coil. Do it again with the other 2 and that's your second coil. Now you have a dual coil setup. Good job. Make sure you straighten out the leads, the legs, the bits of wire that aren't coil, because those are going to go in your atomizer, and if they're going all over the place it makes life really difficult. But other than that, now you have 2 coils, and those are perfectly good parallel nichrome coils right there. Now open your atomizer and look at it with your eyes. You'll see 2 things, and each one of those things has 2 holes. That's 4 holes in total. Also math. Now, if you look at your coils, you'll realize you'll have a total of 4 legs. And each of those legs goes in a hole. It's very simple. So now you have to put your coils into the holes. But how do I know which hole to put the legs into? It's actually really simple. Put one leg in any hole, doesn't matter, and put the other one in the corresponding hole in the thing that isn't touching that thing. Basically, if that hole is attached to a piece of metal that makes it technically be touching another hole, then it's not going to work. It's not going to blow you up, it's just not going to work. I've made this mistake, don't feel bad. Tighten the screws or clamps or whatever it is you're using, and you're done. Now put your atomizer on a mod, put some batteries in it, drop the wattage down to, I don't know, like 20 or 30, and just give it a few gentle pulse fires. And now you got to watch those coils. So if the coils start glowing up at the same time from the center with the heat moving out, you're done. You've made coils. Put some cotton in, you're good to go. Go watch my video on how to re-wick a RDA, and you're done. Go vape. If your coils are not glowing up at the same time, or one's glowing really bright and the other one isn't, or you've got like a little spot that's glowing super bright, then you've got more work to do. Sorry. If they're not glowing up at the same time, but they are glowing up evenly from the middle, then take the one that's not glowing up as hot and give it a little squeeze with your ceramic pliers. Or if you don't have ceramic pliers, make sure you're not touching the fire button and give it a gentle squeeze with your pliers. If you touch the fire button while you're touching a coil with something that's made of metal, it will explode and you will die. I mean, you probably won't explode, but you will die. Let's just leave it at that. If one little spot on a coil is glowing extra hot, that's called a hot spot. And what you need to do is not touch the fire button and take your little screwdriver that you use to wrap the coil and just strum that spot a little. Just kind of run it over gently. But don't fire the mod while you do this, because if you do, it will explode and you will die. Again, won't really explode, maybe, but you'll die. Let's say you'll die so you don't do it. Keep squeezing and strumming the coils until they glow up evenly, and you win. You have made a pair of coils in a vape, and now they will vape. Go watch my video on how to wick RDAs, and you are now making your own vapes. Good job. Go watch my other videos. Bye.